Hello guys, here I have made a mind mapping. Oops, before that I will introduce. My name is Ferry Kurniawan from the DKV department, and this is one of the English segment. Enjoy watching and have fun. My article is titled Angklung. Number 1. Angklung is a traditional musical instrument from Indonesia. The angklung musical instrument is widely developed in Indonesia, especially in West Java. Angklung, history, types, and how to play. The history of angklung has a long history and has been around for a long time to develop until now. Quotes from the book Guidelines for Playing Angklung by Obi A.R. Wiramiharda. The history of angklung was originally one of the sound tools used for ceremonies related to rice. Angklung has existed since the Hindu era. It has been used in religious ritual ceremonies as a substitute for the bell used by a pedanda or Hindu priest in religious ceremonies. During the Pajajaran kingdom, the angklung was used as a musical instrument for the royal army corps. And at the time of the Bubat War, the royal soldiers sound the angklung as a spirit to fight or fight. Angklung is a traditional musical instrument from Indonesia. The angklung musical instrument is widely developed in Indonesia, especially in West Java. It's not known when angklung was made. The musical instrument is closely related to bamboo, which has always been familiar to Indonesian society. Bamboo is often used to make household furniture, and craft. Even bamboo is also often used as a food ingredient. Also, social function of the art of music likewise of musical instrument in Indonesia. There are many musical instruments that use bamboo, for example, flute, kolintang, kalung, and so on. Number 2. Here are the types of angklung. 1. Pentatonic angklung or traditional angklung. Pentatonic angklung or traditional angklung are divided into several types, namely angklung kanekes, angklung dok-dok, lonjor, angklung gubrak bandeng, angklung buncis, angklung reed. Also, non-traditional types are of international musical language. Number 2, modern or diatonic angklung or dying angklung. The size of the angklung that is used is usually adjusted to the act of the player who will play the song in the angklung performance. Number 3, how to play angklung. There are basic things that must be understood in order to play the angklung properly so that it produces a good sound. Here's how to play the angklung, how to hold the angklung, how hold the angklung is first time things that angklung player must pay attention to. The accuracy of how to hold the angklung is important for comfort and aims to product the correct sound. Number 3. Sound the angklung. There are 3 basic ways to play angklung, all 3 of which will produce different types of sound, namely, read also. Nusantara non-traditional musik kurulung basic technical of playing angklung by shaking the sound taps cetok or staccato. The basic technical of playing angklung by hitting the angklung tube horizontal at the base of the angklung by the palms of the hands. Tangkep basic technical of playing the angklung by vibration the larger tubes only. In playing angklung, you must pay attention to several things include tempo is the fast and slow beat the song. Dinamika is a term to describe how the volume of angklung that must be produced by two players. Whether it is slow, tight, soft, the louder it gets bigger, the smaller it is. Number 4. Reading scores. In playing angklung using numerical scores, the aim is to make it easily for people who want to learn it. 1. Kurulung basic technical of playing angklung by shaking the sound to sentok or staccato. Basic technical of playing angklung by hitting the horizontal angklung tube at the base of the angklung by the palm of the hand. Tangkep basic technical of playing angklung by vibrating the larger tube only. In playing angklung, you must pay attention to several things, include tempo is fast and slow beat of the song. Dinamika is a term to describe how to volume the angklung that must be produced by the player. Whether is slow, like soft and louder it gets bigger. So, if there is a misspelling of word, I apologize. Thanks you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.